Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the fill color function in the Avenza Maps application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, click on the display button. And at the lines and areas style section, click on that. And at the areas section, look for the fill color button and click on that. And as you can see, here you will find all the colors that you can set. So just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.